Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the identifiers that immediately tell you what Surface Pro you have. Open Settings, go to System then About, and note the model name and serial, write them down. If the device is off, flip the kickstand and read the regulatory label near the hinge for a model number. This is crucial. Make sure the battery has enough charge and attach the type cover if you need easier navigation. Once done, you'll have the core ID to cross-reference. Once you have the basic ID, dive deeper to confirm the exact generation. Reboot into UEFI/BIOS to read SKU, board, and firmware versions. These numbers map precisely to specific Surface Pro models. Boot Windows and open Device Manager to confirm CPU, GPU, and wireless chipset details. Compare CPU model and RAM size against known Microsoft spec lists. Also check Windows Update view optional updates for firmware packages. Matching firmware names helps disambiguate similar model years. Make sure you record every identifier. To finish, cross-reference the serial number, SKU, and board ID with official Microsoft support documentation or published spec sheets. That confirms the exact Surface Pro model. If values conflict, install the latest firmware and drivers, reboot, then recheck UEFI and Windows details because updates can correct misreported ID. If confusion remains, contact Microsoft support and provide the serial, SKU, and a clear photo of the regulatory label. This speeds resolution. One troubleshooting tip: if the device won't boot, use another PC to look up the serial.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.